Today we are starting the chapter 3, that is sources of energy. So, the first topic that we are going to cover in this chapter is types of energy. There are mainly two types of energy, that is renewable and non renewable energy. The first is renewable energy. As the name suggests, these sources of energy can be can be renewed, or if I say in another words, they can be used again and again without decay of the source. For example, solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, hydro energy, and biomass. These are some example of renewable energy which we have in abundant amount and will not decay with time. These energies can be renewed again and again. So such type of energy which can be reused again and again are called as renewable energy. Second is non-renewable energy. As the name suggests again, these energies cannot be generated again and again from the same source. They are in limited amount and they will be consumed at one stage of time. These all will be finished. It cannot be replenished. It cannot be replaced. So non-renewable energies can't be generated again and again from the same source. Example, petroleum product, that are kerosene, petrol, diesel, etc. Coal, uranium. These are few examples of non-renewable energies. Here's the difference between renewable and non-renewable. Renewable energy can be generated continuously, practically without decay of source. Non-renewable can't be generated continuously without decay of source. It is responsible for 3 to 4% of carbon dioxide in environment. It is responsible for 91 to 94% of carbon dioxide in environment. It is not the reason behind global warming. It is the main reason behind global warming. Example are biomass, hydropower, wind energy, solar energy. Example of non-renewable are petroleum product, coals, uranium, etc. There is another name for renewable source. Renewable is also known as non-conventional sources, and non-renewable is called conventional sources of energy. So difference can be asked in both the languages, either renewable and non-renewable, or and either conventional or non-conventional sources of energy.